Hey, what's up, Dogecoin? This is the latest update of Dogecoin, my friends. What's the prediction of coming times? They moving upward or they fails down? What's the latest update of Dogecoin? Everything is going very important, my friend. And this video, kindly, especially for holder, my friend, kindly don't do this mistake. What I type to my friend, absolutely very important. So kindly subscribe this channel before I get started the video, because if you subscribe this channel, then definitely, my friend, this channel is update you every time. Alright, so the last 1 hour chart is on the screen. It's mean, my friend, to Dogecoin is moving upward. But from last 24 hours, my friends, Dogecoin is very badly fails down, my friend. So what's the reason today fails down? Everything discussed in this video, my friend. And what's the price target? This time, if you can see, my friends, the price come to 0.49 USD dollar, my friend. Absolutely, they cross, they fails down from a half US dollar. Absolutely, they hit 0.7 USD dollar. But after this fails, my friend, especially before past 2 days, my friend, they moving very badly fails down. Not fast 2 days, my friend. Especially in this week. In the start of month, every cryptocurrency falls down definitely, but not like a Dogecoin. Absolutely, Dogecoin is going very fastly moving falls down. So therefore, my friend, what's the prediction? I hope you can see here this time. The last 1 hour chart is on screen and they're starting moving upward. But definitely in the last 24 hours, my friends, they fails down. You can see here. But after a fails, they take a jump. Definitely, it's reality, my friends. To after a fails, they take a good jump. So it's mean, my friends, to after this fails, they also take a good jump. This is the circulation style, if you can see here, my friend. So if they hit just and only this line, then exactly the change occur is a positive, my friend. But this time I hope they hit it now. They move upwards, so minus 10.86%. They fails down and they are in the lost. But you can see here the price is change occur now just in only in 24 hours, my friend. Very badly fails down. I hope, my friends, in upcoming times this coin moving upward like a rocket. So definitely this mean, my friends, to you hold it, don't sell it, and wait for the end of month. I hope they give you very good profit. Thanks for watching, all holder. Kindly subscribe this channel and like this video, and yeah, press bell icon for videos notification.